This is a professional wireless home reform alarm system plus home automation. Okay, how good is this wireless alarm? First, you must see whether the thief or the robber can actually break in, because all the robber and thief are very smart. Let me show it to you. First, if let's say this is under the condition disarm, if you pull, the alarm will trigger. This because of the temper. Okay, this thing will come immediately. Okay, see, come. Okay, it will come immediately. Okay, this is the red zone, you can see. Okay, it will tell you this. Wait. Okay, see, you can see the CCTV. At the same time, you also know which zone you trigger on. Demo magnetic contact set 1, and you can choose to disarm the partition you wish. Okay, everything is simple, straightforward. By keying in your password, okay, you can disarm. Okay, the second one, this is even more high-tech a bit. Most of the robber or the thief will take a magnet and go to your sensor. Okay, let me show you. You can't do it in home relevant sensor. You see, this is vibration. I go, or magnetic also can. I put here nearby. It will, in fact, the alarm will trigger. Straight away, the alarm will trigger. So this is the difference. You can see. Okay, so we disarm. And now, all these sensors, we in fact can do programming like intelligent zone. Intelligent zone means is, let's say your vibration, your house got a grill. Some grill is very light, some grill is very heavy. So all these can be programmable. So it's versatile. Okay, let's say I program 2 times within a minute, or 3 times within a minute. As long as 3 times trigger, the grill shake, it will buzzer the alarm, and you will receive the notification. So this is very professional. And we can also set condition. Let's say the main door, this door open or back door open already. Nobody disarm, and the thief or the robber proceed to the safety room. Inside not jewelry or cash, whatever. If let's say he open this door within how many seconds you set by you, he will actually activate the fault generator and spray. So there is no false alarm. So your fault generator is fully utilized, and maximum it will cover up all the space, and you cannot see with your own eyes. Your vision is all blocked by the smoke. You cannot see, you cannot steal. Okay, come to this part. We talk about battery. Battery is very important. Why I say? Because if your battery, usually they say some of them only 3 months, some of them 6 months. What's the point? Or 9 months? All this is wasting time. Our standby is up to 5 years. If you use a good battery, AA or AAA, our battery standby is 5 years. Okay, let me show it to you. This battery here is very good. If your battery level low, in fact your app will know. It will show it to you. And if let's say you don't see the app, they will send notification to you, because they will do a daily health check and make sure your alarm system in tip-top condition, rather than you don't know anything. So this is very professional. Okay, talk about wireless alarm system. Lifespan must be good. Notification must come. If the notification never come, only buzzer one sound, it's pointless. And you can program 5 phone, 10 phone, 20 phone, up to you. And when the alarm trigger, they will straight away send notification to all the phones simultaneously. Let me show you again. Let's say I am now. Okay, I am. Trigger. You can see. You see, all this will come. Okay, will come immediately. Okay. And the good thing about this home wireless alarm system, the notification will never stop until you log into the app and have a look which zone trigger, which partition trigger. Only they will stop. Then make sure you listen. They won't give you one sound, ding dong. No, this is very dangerous, because under security, this is the most important issue. They must able to reach the customer. Understand? Okay. And come to here, we got another point. It's very important. Our home wireless alarm system is combination with the smart home, and our smart home automation is using the switch and you can install anytime you wish. After renovation, no issue at all, because our switch don't use neutral. It's exactly like your normal mechanical switch. Same thing. Take down the mechanical switch, put back the switch, will do. Okay, simple, and no need to put capacitor on top the lighting. So it's very straightforward. So this thing is completely hassle-free and save a lot of your time. Okay, if you need to put extra neutral, you have to redo the whole house. This is not complete. Ours is all total wireless. You want to do auto gate, also no need to put extra cable. You want to do lighting, everything. You want to put siren extra, no need to do extra cable at all. Okay, so it's very straightforward. You switch, no need. Okay, like auto gate, put inside the auto gate. Like this smart switch, just put the smart switch. Okay, and very straightforward. Everything is wireless, and this switch, one thing good about this, we don't need to update firmware, because when you do updating firmware, you have a lot of issue. It's like your handphone, they will also ask you to update firmware, and you make sure your NVR, your CCTV recorder all need to update firmware. When updating firmware, most important issue is don't break down, don't power failure, or suddenly can pull out the thing. It will damage the device. But ours, no need to update firmware, and because basically we only update the hub will do. So it's straightforward, don't have issue at all. And we no need to use Wi-Fi. Even though without Wi-Fi, the schedule that you put is all inside the hub. So no need to depends on the handphone to press to on or off the light. Everything is scheduled. Let's say after 7 on the light of what? Everything, or your auto gate open, I also know. Everything controlled by the hub. So straightforward. No need notification first must come. Want to sabotage manage or you take out the sensor, will come. Then you want to do the setting like all the like exactly how I yes can be done. And battery is very good. Lastly, switch no need neutral and no need cap and no need to update firmware. This is the most important one. And that's all. Notification, remember, must come. This is the most important criteria in alarm system. Thank you.